Let's look at the top 5 reasons Brava makes cooking easier, faster, and tastier than ever. Brava cooks with light. Brava cooking is all about power and precision. 6 lamps deliver exact, variable infrared light waves to transfer heat directly into the food itself. And the lamps can turn on and off instantly, just like a light switch. With ultra-focused energy, there's no need to preheat or cool down. And the pulsing light enables Brava to cook faster than any other cooking method. Can your oven, toaster, or microwave do that? Didn't think so. Now that you know how Brava cooks, let's explore how that helps you crush it in the kitchen. Unrivaled searing power. Brava's 6 high-powered lamps heat up instantly. Just pick your recipe, press the button, and let Brava sear steak, crisp up salmon, fry eggs, or cook pizza that'll rival a wood-fired oven. Precision. Brava's lamps are so precise that they can focus their energy on specific zones without heating the area around them. That means you can cook ingredients that require different amounts of heat at the same time without babysitting them, like a medium rare steak with crispy roasted potatoes and gently cooked asparagus, all on the same tray. Versatility. Brava cooks what you want, how you want, and it's easy to personalize. It'll even remember your favorite recipes and how you like them cooked. With over 1,000 curated, chef-tested dishes and automated recipe programs to choose from, it's easy to make meals based on what you already have in the fridge. It's also a great way to discover new foods and recipes. And with built-in slow cook, air fry, bake, reheat, and other constantly updated new features, Brava actually gets better with time by adding new cooking modes, which means fewer appliances and more counter space. Speed. Since Brava's lamps can heat up instantly, there's no need for preheating. But here's what sets us apart. What truly makes Brava different is the pulsing of the lamps. By immediately raising the surface temperature and quickly backing off, Brava accelerates the rate of heat transfer through the food. No other cooking device can do this. So what does this mean for your food? Brava can roast vegetables in half the time as a conventional oven, fry eggs in less than 4 minutes, and quickly sear steaks without overcooking them. Good luck trying to do that anywhere else. All of this brings us to the most important reason people love Brava: quality. Brava's high-powered lamps make food crispier and juicier without drying them out, all at the touch of a button. Brava takes care of the cooking so you can take care of everything else. Food made brilliant.